Haha, we are back. So we have 3 trailers coming available in December. I told y'all a while back we had 2 new ones ordered, man, since way before COVID hit. But supply chain issues gotten so far backed up, and the ones I ordered in 2020 are just about to happen. Crazy it's taking so long to get new trailers. So they'll be here. It's supposed to land somewhere around December 20th or so. So we have those 2, and I have another one coming open. So we got 3 openings in December. Remember I told you last video we wanted to wait until after December to bring anybody on. We will have 3 open positions available for qualified owner-operators end of December. So let's get started now, get the application in, and let's get you rolling and get it processed. We'll be ready to rock and roll and get you on the path to success in 2023. So maybe you're leased onto a carrier now that charges you fuel card fees, comm data card fees, fees to pay you, outrageous percentage, ELD fees, pre-pass fees. I mean, the fees go crazy, right? I was leased to the Big Star for 5 years, and it's like $168 a week, plus their outrageous percentage, and limited to their freight. Here it's a straight cut, guys. There are no fees there. We still have access to all the freight, even that Big Star I just mentioned. We have their board. We have access to everything. So it's a really good fit. Here you got all the apps, all the load boards, any broker, as long as they pass a credit check, which 95% of them do. We are set up with so many of them, and we do carry packets on the fly. So straight cut, no fees. We got fuel card discounts. Our fuel card discounts are phenomenal. It's $80 to $1.20 off per gallon. We use the NASTIC fuel card, which is TA Petros, Road Rangers, Circle Ks, everything but Pilot and Flying J. Basically, we don't use Pilot and Flying J. That's just a shyster outfit. A lot of history there. So, if you're new in the industry, you probably don't know about Pilot and Flying J's history, but if you've been around a while, you understand. So, NASTIC is a Tennessee-based company, as is Pilot Flying J headquarters, and they don't like it when I don't blame them. Anyway, so that's a phenomenal fuel discount program. We don't charge any fees for that. We have tire discounts. We use England Logistics through our tire national program, and it's $250 to $300 off per tire. In the broad scheme of reality, it's not really that big a deal because you're only buying tires once every 3 years. So people use the LCAP. Oh my God, we get. Well, how often do you use that? Look at what you're paying for that benefit. We have the same discount here, okay, and there's no fee for that. So you get paid every Friday. You submit any run you do from Wednesday to Wednesday. Cut off noon Wednesday. That pays out Friday. So you get done with the run Wednesday, you're gonna get paid for it Friday. Don't charge you a fee for that. We handle all your EFTA taxes. We file your base plates for you. We keep up with all your permits, all your insurance requirements, your driver's license, your physicals. Keep up with all that for you. Let you know ahead of time how your CDL is about to expire, or your DOT physical is coming up. All you gotta do is focus on working and making money. We handle all right here, the rest of in the office. We also have partnered up with Aflac, so you can get, as an owner-operator, maybe you have health insurance, maybe you don't, right? But if you're an owner-operator and you have to run your truck, and that's your sole source of income, and your wife's at home taking care of the kids or whatever, and something happens to you, you fall off the truck and break your leg, and now you can't work for 6 weeks, what do you do, right? So we partner up with Aflac to get you long-term, short-term disability, critical care. I mean, Aflac's a really good, everyone knows who Aflac is and what they do. So we have partnered with Aflac, and that is available for you at a discounted rate as well, which is also payroll deducted. So You don't have to worry about a thing. You ain't got to worry about your subscriptions. You ain't got to worry about, oh my gosh, did I pay my Aflac bill? Because I had Aflac before when I was just a single independent truck driver, and credit card renewed, right? Well, I didn't catch that on my Aflac because it was just automatic renewal. When that credit card expiration changed, I got the new one in the mail. I didn't update to Aflac. Well, I lost my Aflac subscription, and that was into that. So now we got it back, and now we handle that, all those deductions. So one less thing, all you got to do is drive, book your runs, and focus. Like I said, we follow IFTA, base plates, everything. We do it all. Provide ELDs, provide dash cams, forward-facing dash cam only. That protects you in the event of four-wheelers run over you, run you off the road, or cutting you off, whatever. We've had people call in and say, "Oh, well, your truck ran me off the road." Well, I got dash cam footage right here, shows exactly what happened. So it protects you. Pre-pass, provide that, because it'll keep you out of the way stations. That's more time for you to get to where you got to go, and less downtime. So more uptime, less downtime. So yeah, it's just it's a fantastic system we got here. Like I said, straight cut, no fees. Now, if you want to talk percentages and you want to go to 90% and you cover the fees, we can do that. Just that simple, right? We can break it down however you want to break it down. There's full transparency here. You get the ability to book your own rates, negotiate your own rate. You're booking the load. Complete freedom to book it. I'll ask is you be respectful of the broker, because at the end of the day, the broker, we have to have the broker to do our job, right? But I've got a lot of response. I've got a lot of people out west wanting jobs, but I'm trying to stick to 500-mile radius. And the main reason that is, the two main reasons sticking to the 500-mile radius of my hometown is that, I get a lot of load offers, a lot of dedicated freight, emails, data point 25, 30 a day with dedicated freight, or whether it's new lanes coming open. We don't have anybody in that lane because they're over here in Missouri, or over here in New Mexico, or they're over there in California or West Texas. So if we can shrink them down to the 500-mile radius of Chattanooga, Tennessee, a 500-mile radius of that area, then we can kind of entertain some of those dedicated freight lanes and postal, seasonal postal mail, UPS mail routes, Amazon. There's just so much in that area that we can entertain if we have the trucks in that area. So the second thing with that would be insurance, right? If we can keep from going way out to Oregon or Washington or California, and we can shrink our running radius down, we can lower our insurance premium substantially. So that's the goal with that, right? Every now and I get one truck once a year and want to go to Oregon, right? So it kind of messes up my IFTA filings that I submit to my insurance company once a year. So we have to insure for all 48 states. If we can shrink that down to 5 or 6 state radius, because all the money to be made is up in the Midwest anyway. Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Missouri. That's where the bulk of your freight rates are. That's $2 to $3 a mile. And yes, you can still find those rates, but you got to dig and you got to go after them. And you can't look from point A to point B. Money's at. Get out there and run and make some money. I got a guy who lives in Florida. He doesn't run in out of Florida, right? He'll go home for a few days or a week or whatever, wanting to go home. And when he comes out, he's on the road for 3 weeks, chasing that money in that Midwest region. And he'll go back to Florida, because you can make good money going to Florida. You just can't get out. So as long as you know that, we're good. But anyway, so I can ramble all day long about freight rates and lanes and whatnot. But anyway, we have 3 available trailers coming up in mid-December. So apply at Gorley Trucking at gmail.com and just get you started. I'll submit you a paper application and fill that out and send it back, and we'll start the process. So works calling, guys. We got to get back to pounding this keyboard. Hit me up, Gorley Trucking at Gmail. And don't forget, we still have the t-shirts available. You want to get yourself a t-shirt, comment, and I give him a Vimo. It's at Vimo is at Timothy-Gorley, and send me a Vimo. We'll get your t-shirts made out for $21.95, shipped, domestic shipping. Nice t-shirts, and we'll see you in the email, guys. Y'all have a good day. Be careful and stay safe out there. See you.
You're watching Idiotic Ramblings with Life is Good. Keep the wheels turning and the chicken lights burning. Come on. Oh, and don't forget your high-speed chicken feed there, Roger.